into building things together as a group. Voxel Farm, which is the bottom picture, the picture really doesn't do it justice. This is a HD style version of Minecraft where there's also, while there's like build the same with blocks, there's also kind of smoothing tools so you can make things look a little more polished. And there's like many more of these types of Minecraft-like applications, including the Virtual World Framework Sandbox from ADL, which we added this block builder mode so we could figure out, is that a good way to build things. I don't think that we found like the perfect balance with this, but it's something that we've done as an experiment. If you go to the Sandbox application, it'll be listed in the resources. That this mode is in there, and you can play around with it. Linden Labs is, by the way, I kind of mentioned they're doing this thing called Patterns. They've kind of rebranded themselves as the makers of shared creative spaces. So they're not just a Second Life company anymore, right? So like Second Life's great and then made them who they are today, and they still do it. But they're diversifying. They're becoming these people who just make places that you can create things. So Patterns is that Minecraft clone where you can use triangles. Dio is another one where you're kind of building a 2D space, and it could be kind of an interactive narrative or a set of images, wherever you can kind of tie together into a space, and people can go through and explore your space. Creativerse is kind of this 2D physics toolkit for easy sharing, and it has easy sharing of these worlds. So you build a little 2D world, and it's about like kind of the physics of baseball, and you can put it up on their site, and then other people could download that and try the same space out. And it has this idea of like micro worlds, or that virtual worlds don't necessarily need to be this. Everyone has an avatar, everyone's walking around in the same virtual world, everyone's talking to each other, working together, and maybe they're building things together, or maybe they're in a world where they are experiencing together a place someone else built, but it's not always having to be the same place at the same time. Versus kind of like off in left field for them also, which is a new take on interactive fiction where they have intelligent agents playing the roles in these interactive stories. So you might play through Wuthering Heights, and all the characters play